Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the viral hug trend or how you can create the AI Polaroid video. So the hyper realistic AI Polaroid trend is taking over TikTok and also Instagram. So if you want to get your own beautiful vintage photo hugging your favorite celebrity, K-pop idol, or maybe a loved one, this is the banana nano banana prompt for you, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own. So first, you can just use the Gemini applications. You can do it on mobile or PC, and if you're using on mobile like I do in here, you can just use the nano banana in here. Click on the create image button and enter this prompt. So this prompt is pretty short. Take a photo with a Polaroid camera, and the photo should look like an ordinary photograph. The photo should have a slight blur and a consistent light. Scatter throughout the photo and don't change the face, and change the background behind those people with white curtains. And in here, the last sentence is the pose, so you can modify it here. I'm going to go with that boy hugging me, both looking at front. So now you can just upload your photo, the photo of you and also your favorite celebrity. You can click on the plus button and tap on gallery. So in here, I'm going to use this photo from, okay, these two photos right here. This one and also this one. I'm going to use the photo of the BTS, and now once the photo is uploaded, you can just tap on submit and just wait until Gemini generate your AI Polaroid photo. Okay, so now the image is done and this is how it look like. You can click on the photo and tap on save in here, and then you can also share it to your Instagram or maybe TikTok account so that you can join the viral trend. So guys, that's how you can create the AI product photo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.